Hey friends, Drew here. So it's been a long time since I uploaded a video. I think it's something like 5-6 months. Um, it's now 5-6 months. Okay, so I'm really sorry. I was really busy. I was studying. So yeah, so I'm very sorry, friends. I was not constantly uploading my videos, but then also you gave me support, so I'm very thankful for that. So now I'm unboxing Lenovo Zoox Z2 Plus. Okay, by the title you have saw. So without any further ado, let's start it. Okay, so here's the box. Okay, so first I'm going to start by cutting this box. So I've ordered it from Amazon at the price of 9,800. This is the 3 GB RAM, 32 GB ROM, means the internal memory. ROM means internal memory. So yeah, this is that variant. Okay, you can buy 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM variant, which is for 11,000, 10,999. So yeah, let's start it. So let me just cut it. Yeah, and this is really good, friends. So this is the box. This is the box. Okay, so this is the box, friends. So I'm going to unbox it. So first I'll show you the back of. Sorry, it's out of focus. So you can see these things. If you want, you can check it out. It has 3500 mAh battery. That is the charger. And what you get a, what is that? 1 minute. Trans receiver, one travel adapter, one USB cable, SIM card, SIM ejector tool, quick start guide, ultra slim bumper. Yeah, and here it is written 18,000, but it is, now it's selling for 9,800. Okay, so without need for really, let me just cut this. It's really easy. Just cut it. Okay, so I'm going to. Okay, so this is the phone. Okay, so I'll keep the phone aside because it's like the main show, like it's the movie star. It's the main protagonist. So I'll just keep it here for now. Okay, let's just keep it. Okay, let me just keep it there. Okay, for now. Now if you just, this is like this. So now if you just move it, uh turn it upside, means you turn it on the back, you get the SIM ejector tool. So and here you get the quick start guide. If you want to read it, you can read it in your house or when you order the phone. I'm not going to read it currently, I mean now, but if you want, you can read it. So this is the SIM ejector tool. I'm going to keep this aside too. Okay, so in the box you get, what we say, this USB cable. Then you get this travel adapter. So actually this the phone supports Qualcomm 3.3.0 or 3.0, and but this charger will not charge it fastly, means it doesn't support quick charge. This charger, as you can see, if I just do this, its voltage is 1 minute. So let me focus it a bit. Sorry, it's not focusing, friends. I'm really sorry. uh, okay, yeah, sorry. Okay, as you can see, it is 5. Wait a second, friend. It sorry, its output is 5 volts, and normally it is, 5 volts. It's showing 2 ampere. So I don't, yeah, it is not it will not charge your phone fast. Basically, that's what I'm trying to say here. Okay, so let's leave everything aside. And yeah, friends, you get a cover too if you want. See, I think that yeah, it has a cover. It's really nice cover. I'm going to take it out for now so that I can show you the phone nicely. I'm going to take this out too. Okay, so it has a, this is made up of glass. Okay, this and this screen is always, and yeah, you get a screen guard pre-installed too, so that's pretty neat. Okay, so I think this is a really good phone because they're providing us with, what we say, screen guard and a back case. back cover we'll call it. So this is made up of glass fiber, friends. So it seems it is strengthened glass, but it is not Gorilla Glass. They didn't say it is some Gorilla Glass or anything. This is some strengthened glass, they said. Yeah, I don't know about that, but it is strengthened glass, that much is confirmed. Yeah, but it's good, pretty good. It's very solid too. The grip is very good. So I'm going to just turn it on. I think it's this. So first, before, okay, I'll just click it, and while it's turning on, I will show you everything. So at the right, there's the power button, volume up, volume down button. Here you what we say, here you place your sims, two nano sims. You can't, and yeah friends, you can't what we say, put any SD card in it, external SD card. So here you get one speaker. This is USB-C. Yeah, this is USB-C. Sorry for the out of focus, friends. Focus karte raho kya. Sorry friends. Sorry friends, I'm really sorry. Okay, so but you can see it though. I think the secondary mic. This is the audio jack. And here nothing. You have nothing here and nothing here. On top and left you have nothing. Okay, so let's start it now. Okay, it brightened up. I don't know suddenly. Okay, so it's English India. So we'll. Okay, so I'm going to skip this. I'm going to skip network. Yeah, don't need any network for now. Time also on. I think this time is wrong, but I'll set it up afterwards. Name also I'll set it up afterwards. I'll set a fingerprint so that I can see what is the speed. Okay, so let's set up pin code. Okay, I'll set some pattern. Just 1 minute, friends. Okay, friends. So I have set up a pattern. Now I'm going to put my finger over there. Sorry friends for the out of focus. Oh yeah. Okay, so I'm going to touch here and let's see how much fast it checks my fingerprint. Okay, I'm going to place my right thumb, friends. Okay, it's done. So let's click OK. Let's click next. Let's do next something. Okay, so it's ready. Okay, let me just turn the brightness. Yeah friends, so this notification is little weird. Yeah, but in this, friends, you don't have any back button or multitasking. All you can do is on this, so you can click it, friends. What happens is this is the multitasking tray, or you have on-screen buttons too. Okay, so that is your wish. If you want to do that, it's your wish, but except that you can do things. So I'm going to first test the camera in this. Okay friends, so and yeah friends, I think this has 2.5D glass, maybe I think so, but yeah. So I'll just test the camera for you now, friends. Okay, let's click agree and stuff. Okay, so as you can see, yeah, dimmed a bit. So the camera is not that great. It is fine, I would say, but actually it's pretty good. You have some modes here. Okay friends, so 1 minute. It's, I don't know why it's so dim, so I'll just turn the brightness up a bit. Okay friends, so I've turned the brightness up a bit. It was on adaptive brightness, friends, so I didn't like that. So let me show you the settings here. So it has slow-mo, time lapse, pano, flash, and what is the scale. I think this is the aspect ratio. This is HDR. Okay, so in settings, as you can see, this is the things. If you want, you can check this out. So resolution and quality, these are the things. You can what you say, in front camera you can shoot up to 1080p, but in the back camera you can shoot up into what we say 4K too. Okay, yeah, but this phone is not 4K. This is a full HD screen, which is 1920p into 1080p, which is 1080p screen, full HD. So if you will shoot 4K videos, or you can see the 4K only on a 4K screen. So yeah, but in this you can shoot it. It's your wish. I mean, why not? Then friends, these are the aspect ratios if you want. So if you what we say, It's by 4 by 3 1300, 4 by 3 800. So you can choose that, friends. Okay, that's your wish. Front camera. So it shows for front camera and sorry, front camera and back camera. Okay, so it means this camera. This is the back camera. Okay, so volume key control. You can do this. You can record slow motion. So 1 minute, friends. Focus. Okay, then this is time snapshot. This is camera sound effect. This is front shooting flip. I don't know what is that. Grid. I don't think you should open grid. Okay, so yeah, by my okay. So except that, I don't think anything is there. This is best. This is sorry. This is a off flashlight, on flashlight, or auto. Okay, so then this is HDR. You can on same thing, off, on, or auto. Okay, that is your wish. You can yeah. So okay, sorry friends about that. Okay, sorry friends about that. Yeah, so let's ignore that. So here you can go into video mode. This is just click, I mean photo mode. Then this is gallery. So I'll just click a photo. Okay, so it is quite blurry. I'll just click a photo and I'll meet you. Okay, so friends, this is the picture. Let me just show you in horizontal mode, landscape mode. Why it's not showing? I don't know why. Actually, this what we say, this notification, the notification bar is little weird, so I have to figure that out. So, but in what just this is not a photo. Sorry. So this photo was pretty good, So I'll just zoom it and you can check it out. So yeah, this was noisy, but it was fine. Okay, so yeah, the camera is good, but not like great. It's decent though. I would say it's good, decent. Yeah, except that nothing is there. You can, and yeah, sorry, forgot to mention this phone is I think the first phone which has Snapdragon 820. Okay, so yeah, 821 is in OnePlus 3T. So this has 820 in just 10,000 rupees. So you can imagine. So, but I would say you could if you want like power hungry, means you want to play just for gaming, then I would suggest you that you could buy you should buy then 11,000 rupees, the 4 GB RAM, 4 GB RAM, 64 GB ROM variant. I think that I don't want that much, so I bought 3 GB RAM. This is fine for me. Yeah, then you have YouTube and stuff. I think I have to update this stuff. Sorry friends, I have to update this stuff. Yeah, and there is 9 apps. There are some third party apps though. There's some bloatware. I'll You can uninstall that. And yeah, let's go to settings now. I'm going to go to settings. I'll just show you how much you get. I mean, let's go to what we say storage. So it should be yeah. So let's see how much you get out of the box. You get 29.12 GB out of the box, but available is 24.22 GB. Okay, so I would say just take out the bloatware and stuff. You will have more memory. So yeah, but I'm not going to do a gaming review for this because I think I mean, you can play. I think you can play any game on it. So I'm not going to do gaming for it. Moto G Turbo, I was a little curious because it has 615. So I wanted to check does it overheat or not, because people say 615 overheats. Yeah, so I don't think this will overheat that much. It is pretty good though. It is really sturdy. I'm going to apply this back cover back. Let's just apply this back cover and yeah. 1 minute friends, let me just apply this. Yeah, so this is pretty good. Okay, so you can get on screen. This came with on screen, I don't know why. Or you can do this. Yeah, see, as you can see, you touch home button. You can just see these things, physical home button, customize. You can just press home button twice. For example, you can go for apps history or anything, open an app. For example, I'll click camera. So if I press home twice, I should get to camera. Let's see. So this is camera. So you can pretty much program any app on this. Okay, that is your wish. For example, I can do anything. Switch app in history, slide left. For example, I slide left, I can open, like anything. Let's go for um, let's go for photos. So if I slide left photos, I'll for right I'll do focus calculate. Okay, just example. So I'm going to do for left. This should open. It's not opening anything currently. I don't know why. That was weird. So long press home button, anything. So you can customize it basically. I'm telling. Yeah. So touch to back, for example. Okay. For it's saying touch to back. So just touch it. It should go back. Yeah. So except that, what is this? Let's just see. Okay, this is Opera browser. Okay. So 1 minute, friends. So friends, this was the review. So yeah, this phone is pretty good. It comes with a screen guard and a back case, so I think that's pretty good. You get a phone with 820, the Snapdragon 820, plus you get quick charge too. But this 1 minute. But this adapter does not give you quick charge 3.0. You can buy other third party like Oki is there, Qualcomm 3. That supports Qualcomm 3.0. So what you can do is you can buy that and then plug it. It will support it. Okay, so that is not an issue there. So yeah, I think this phone is great. It is, for me it's great. But if you want just for games and stuff, you can go for the 4 GB RAM model. If you want for 11,000, or there are other phones also, but this phone is pretty good. Okay, this phone is really good. So this is normal Google. Uh, this comes with Marshmallow for now. I think maybe they'll in future they'll update it. I'll check for updates. Or if there are any updates, I'll comment in the. I will tell you in the description. Okay. So yeah, except that camera is decent. I would say it's fine. It's not like very bad for the price. It's okay. Okay. So it's decent. And for what we say, the gaming, I think it will perform very well. So I don't need to do a gaming review for that. But then also, if you're curious, you can go watch other videos. Okay, I'm sorry for that. You can watch, if you want just for gaming, then you can buy this phone 3 GB RAM. You can go for 4 GB RAM. Other YouTubers did it for 4 GB RAM variant. They tested the game. That, I think, because it's the best one, so they tested. So I saw the some videos. It was really good. So don't worry about the gaming. If you want, but if you want for gaming, you can totally take it. Okay, camera not that good. So if you are just for camera, then I don't recommend you to buy this phone. If you want for camera, there are other phones like Motorola and stuff, so you can buy those phones. But just decent camera, okay, it's fine. I'm ready to compromise, then fine, just buy this good. Front camera also was good, as I showed you. In It was really short, but you can see that. Yeah. So, and yeah, sorry friends again for making you wait for 5 months. I'm really sorry, but yeah, I didn't have any videos to post, and I was studying, so it was little tough this time. So, but I will see if there are any other videos. I will post them. So yeah. Okay. So okay, then nothing else is to discuss. Hit the like button and please subscribe. Okay. Yeah, and if you have any questions regarding the phone, please leave it in the comment section below. Gooms by.